Okay, today is the 6th of August 2026, and we are now very near to my buy zone. Yep. Okay, so we are right now very near to my buy zone, and you can see that this is a fresh new sell zone. So when the time when it comes back in, I will be ready to do the sell. And for anyone that uh, watch my video, which is a yesterday video, right? I have so much on point and almost every video, especially yesterday. I was saying that the sell zone, we are tapping into the sell zone. I'm not sure whether how high can we go inside the sell zone, because this sell zone is at least 303 300 to 29,600, so it's close to 600 points, 700 points. So it's very deep inside this sell zone, and this is the daily time frame, and you can see that we tap and we come back down here. Okay, so for those smart money concept, right, and who learn smart money concept, right, you understand that on the daily time frame, this is a fair value gap. Yeah, so we are inside the fair value gap, and anything can still change, and you may spike up again. Yeah, so but however, this is my daily time frame buy zone. Yeah, on the yellow color box here, which I shared like yesterday on my video. Yeah, this is my daily buy zone, and we look at 4-hour time frame. You can see this rally, right? This is the only part that is tested. Okay, the rest are not tested. So ultimately, I want price to come back down here, which is it may take forever, at least 1 to 2 weeks. Like I mentioned many times before, right, is for daily time frame, we may take months to reach to here. Okay, it may take weeks to months. Okay, and 4-hour time frame, we may take 1 to 2 weeks time to reach. Okay, so this is the 4-hour time frame rally, and I need price to come and challenge this area. Okay, so but however, we cannot always be waiting, right? So there will be new buy zones in the pipelines. So that is why I always look at 1-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is for the long vision, and 1-hour time frame is to know where will price be. So last night, or at least my Asia time, right, I see there is potential. If this drops, right, it will come back down, and true enough, it comes down, right, when this is what time? This is 11. Okay, so this is not okay. So it comes down, break below, and it tried to retest and went back in, and slowly grind its way down. Yeah, grind its way down, and this is the sell zone. Okay, because the buyers here got grind out inside here. Okay, so this is sell zone, and we want price to tap this, okay, which is the R1 of the weekly Fibonacci, which is 29,100. Yeah, whether we will reach, we are unsure, because too many fair value gaps here. You can see every fair value gaps are got eaten up. Okay, this is another one fair value gaps here. So that's why smart money concept, right, is very dangerous, because once there's a huge rally, right, you are unsure where is the fair value gaps. And for me, that's why I don't use smart money concept for my trading, and especially when I am just very simple. I just use a weekly and pivot, and I just look at the candles movement, determine where's the buy zone, and bam, just wait there, camp there, whatever, and wait for price to come back down, and finally I go in, look at a 15-minute time frame, and proceed to buy. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, or you can go up, and if triggers my sell zone, I will be looking for the smaller time frame for sells. Okay, so currently price is coming down because send this the price they dropped close to about 10%. I think 8 to 9%, something like that. So they still wobblish on the all this AI, and yep, we are waiting for price to tap here and move up. Okay, even if it's a temporary move up, right, it's still a lot of money, because the temporary move up, right, is worth 100 to 200 points. Okay, so we go to SPX. Very fierce, very fierce, went all the way up close to 7,800. Yeah, very close to 7,800. Yep. So as usual, SPX is very bullish. Like I also mentioned that during one of the videos, I mentioned that SPX is stronger than Nasdaq, is because, right, Nasdaq house a lot of AI related companies, like SpaceX and all these new IPOs companies, right, where their valuation is crazy high. So they are now having a correction or perhaps a pullback, and you can see that Nasdaq has the highest. It's not bullish, in fact, it's very bearish. Currently, after it recover, right, it's not bearish. Okay, so now we are looking at SPX, and it's still strong. If you look at the candles, right, this is not good. This is not good, right? Okay, it'll still come down to here, but the SPX will try to pull it back up. Okay, so for 1 hour time frame, let's see if we can find any potential. Okay, so this is one of the potential we can see. This is the one of the thing, but more preferably I want to push back to here. So this is the point whereby I want price to tap this. Okay, 1 hour time frame, and you can see that now is Nasdaq is almost reaching the 1 hour time frames buy zone. It's just like a few hundred points away, but you can see SPX is very strong. It's still like far away. Okay, and all are fair value gaps. Okay, so it might take a while for for SPX to come all the way down. Okay, even the 4 hour time frame is we don't have a swing low. Okay, this is low. Where's the next low? Okay, is this the next low? Okay, it's immediately pushed back up again. So this is not a low. Yeah. So the new low, it should be like if you know my Don Chen channel, right? Okay, I recommended this is when price come back down, right? It trick to the lower end of this channel, right? Then it's like lower higher low. Okay, so this is like this. Okay, so at least this is the recent rally. Okay, 4 hours time frame. Yeah, I need to see, because this type of rally, right, it will be unable to reach the lower point. You can see you reach the lower point, is always very high already. Okay, so you might, like what a lot of people mention, right, 8,000 is the one to go. I believe that it may take some time to digest and go all the way to 8,000. Okay, and that is a point whereby when the midterms come, if the Republican lose, right, or at least lose the House, right, then Donald Trump will be no power. But of course, even if he has no power, right, some of the Democrats are being bought over by Israel, and Iran war is not about US, it's about Israel. So it can happen again, when for traders, day trading, right, they do have a job outside. So they have to make sure that every day they earn money. And these are the times whereby a lot of times we don't want to be greedy. We take profit. As I already mentioned, right, I want to take profit. It's okay. I didn't manage to get the whole of this full stretch here. It's okay. Yeah. I didn't get the whole of this stretch. It's okay. Because I know I can win again the next day. Yeah. I can win again the next day. Why must I go like make myself go crazy? Why should I make myself not go crazy that now I have some regrets that now I didn't hold this. My target is R1. That's it. If it goes above my R1, it's okay. At least I took profit, right? At least yesterday I have no money to spend, right? Or the money I also can spend for today, right? So second thing that I share is don't be greedy, because sometimes we try to be greedy and we also lose. In trading, we can't be greedy. At least profit is a profit. We don't try to go in and again, to try to see if we can take some more profits. Once you set a target, the target reached, it's okay for you to rest, step back, relax, have a family day, since you have earned money. Okay. Yeah. And don't be greedy is don't leverage. Put more funds inside to trade, to lose even more. So greedy, don't be greedy. These two things is very important. Yeah. So for gold, if you are around here, and or if you see that now you are comfortable with the rates, you want to take profit, it's good for it, like why you didn't go all the way. Yeah, this is your money. Nobody is in charge of your money. And yeah, if anyone say you, it's okay. Yeah. And this yours is true money, because why? Because you took the profit, right? The money is yours already. Those who are still inside the system, all these are paper money. Paper money is the stocks can down trade down again. Yeah. So the other time I was sharing with some Discord members, right, is that output is at my sell zone, or almost at my sell zone, and I'm thinking that to take profit, because at 1.5 I bought, and now at 1.45 or 1.47, something like that. This is good money, and I take profit with a few $1,000, and a few $1,000 is probably my 1 month of salary. So some members of sales said told me that this is a long-term trade, long-term investment for them. So because a lot of people don't look at the charts, and they don't think that price will long trade down, and that's why I have these buy zones. If the buy zones are there, I believe that the price will come back to the buy zones. I take profit. If it goes to the Oracle goes to $116, $200, it's okay, because like there was still one day, one trade down, and I was still able to cash it and wait for the rally again. And there are many stocks outside. Yeah, for you to trade. You see, even if I don't trade stocks, I can trade indices. I can trade gold. I can trade forex. USD JPY now. Okay, USD JPY. Let's say that on stable in this buy zone. Yeah. So, is it a good sign? Yes and no, because after the huge sell, right? No buyers. Meaning that the USD has weakened, no buyers for USD now. And because of the interview by Benson, the Treasury Secretary, he said that he will continue this commenter also mentioned that all the get down earnings during the earnings, right? Like Apple, Meta, Google, the gap down, right? Cover up and even higher now. So this is how money is going into all these big companies, Google, the Apple, the Meta, all these companies, all this money is flowing back into these companies. You know why? These companies are during the Trump inauguration session on the president, right? These few companies CEOs attend, right? And they promise to put more money in, right? For this president, right? And then recently you heard about the tariff refund. All these companies got back 100 billion, and you can see there is a lot of frustration with the citizens because citizens pay the price, the corporate not paying the price, and that shows you, right, the world government, not just the US, the world government doesn't care about the citizens. It's the reality. So always, even you choose carefully, right, ultimately, no, it's still not for your own good. It's for their own pockets. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for your time and hope you earn some money.